US Air Force MC-130 flying over Cambridge at the moment, and I'll just show you on the radar screen, still recording, give me a couple of seconds. Give me 2 seconds and I'll show you. Is that registration 13-5778, call sign Strix 01, out of Millnorm. For some reason he's flying around Cambridge, just on a training mission I presume. You can also see he's been up over the Norfolk coast as well today, so he's on some training mission. There's the info. Okay, right, I'll just have a quick look what else is about. C-17 up there, what's that fighter jet? Tornado there. There's a few helicopters flying around here. Well, there was a little while ago. Information's down there. There we go, what we got? A400 near Cheltenham, flying low. Helicopter down here. Eurocopter Squirrel, that is there. And I've just been told by someone I know that lives in the Gloucester area, 2 Chinooks, no sorry, 1 Chinook and a couple of other helicopters flew really low over this area here, so I don't know which direction they were going, but apparently 1:30 PM a Chinook and a couple of other helicopters flew over somewhere in that area there I'm circling. They're not showing up on here, so I don't know where they've gone to. Right, time's now 1:49 PM, 11th of May 2017. Thanks for watching, bye bye.